Congratulations are in order. Even if he's not around, congratulations to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano for his triumphant victory yesterday and for making me realize that a committee chairmanship is not the end of everything for me as a senator. No committee chairmanship is worth it if it means sacrificing my principles and surrendering the causes that I pledged my life to fight for. Many friends and colleagues have told me, if only I did not call out the president on the murderous consequences of his war on drugs and decided to be as meek as a sheep, I would not be in this trouble and I would still have the committee chairmanship. As the Bible says, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and yet lose his soul? I choose to keep my soul. Mr. President, I'm not the problem. I'm not the one giving a bad image to this country before the international media, contrary to the accusation and belief of Senator Cayetano. The problem of this country and this administration is the extrajudicial killing of more than 3,000 of our countrymen in the past 3 months, or more than 1,000 per month. Sinabayan pa ito ng bunganga ng ating Pangulo na walang patumangging magmura ng mga opisyal ng UN at ng mundo katulad ng Santo Papa, ni Pangulong Obama at ni Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, sa kabila ng pagnanais lang nila na kausapin siya sa kanilang mga agam-agam tungkol sa polisiyang gyera sa droga ng Pangulo. And may I add, the President has already proven that he is more than capable of single-handedly giving a bad image of this country to the whole world in the short span of 3 months in office. He does not need any help from anybody on that aspect, least of all from me. Kaya wag po ninyong baligtarin ang mundo na ako ang nagbibigay ng masamang imahe sa Pilipinas dahil hindi ako ang nagmura kay Obama at kay Ban Ki-moon. Minsan ay tanggalin naman ninyo ang mga tapaloda ng kabayo sa inyong mga mata at medyo punahin naman ninyo kahit konti ang walang kontrol na bunganga ng inyong Pangulong pinagtatanggol, Senator Cayetano. Sa tingin ba ni Senator Cayetano na sa kanyang tagumpay na matanggal sa akin ang Committee on Justice ay gaganda na at timano ang imahe ng Pilipinas sa mundo? Maaari hindi naman bawal na managinip si Senator Cayetano. I still bear a great amount of respect for my colleagues. I believe that their action yesterday was born out of an honest desire to diffuse the unnecessary political complexion of the investigation by choosing a more, shall we say, neutral and non-controversial senator to lead the investigation. At this point, I'd like to sincerely congratulate Senator Richard Gordon for having been vested with the vote of confidence of the Senate and for accepting the burden of investigating the current phenomenon of extrajudicial killings. I wish you good luck, sir. I can tell you it was not a pleasant experience for me. Not at all. You can have the Justice Committee as well as the offensive and unparliamentary antics of Senator Cayetano. Package deal po yan.